Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the interior cabin filter on a 2021 Chevy Traverse. So let's go ahead and get started. So this was the cabin filter that was recommended to me. I actually got it at Walmart. So your cabin filter is actually behind your glove box. So you'll need to take everything out, and then you will need to kind of pinch. You kind of need two hands, although I was able to do it with one there. You have these inner notches here that you pinch on both sides here, and then you're able to pop it down. And you'll also need to release. I'm gonna need two hands. I got some pliers there. I might need needle nose. Basically, I need to pinch here to release this inner strut here. So go ahead and do that first. So to get your filter out, there's a little clip up top here. There's a side clip here that you push in. And there is, it's a little star bolt. It's a T20 is the size that I used. I don't know if mine's just messed up or if it comes from the factory like this. I mean, there's no getting an angle on that. You can clearly see I cut a piece there just so that I could actually get my tool in there. I don't know if mine's just messed up, or let me know in the comments if you had to do the same. But it's plastic, it's behind my glove box, nobody's ever gonna see it, so I don't really care. I just made it easy for me. So once you get that screw off, you pop off this little piece here. This piece goes in and it pops off like that, and then you will pull your old air filter out. So comparing the old one to the new one, I believe this is my factory one. I'm replacing it at the same time as I'm replacing my engine bay air filter. So I got about 26,000 miles out of that. This obviously looks like it could use it. You can see there's a bunch of gunk in there. Pay attention, there is a direction on this, on where the airflow is supposed to go. It goes from the top down towards your feet on that airflow. So these do have a direction. So this has the direction on it. It's not on the same side, but that's fine. My new one seems a bit smaller than the original factory one, but it was the recommended one. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in. So it's pretty simple. That's how you replace the cabin air filter on a 2021 Chevy Traverse. The reverse, you'll obviously just install it, and kind of reversal of how you took everything apart. So hopefully this was helpful, and thanks for watching.